Experiment time!
Guys, today I will show you how to put the egg in the vinegar. What could happen? So now we have a cup here we can use. We need the vinegar and the food color and the egg and the spoon for mixing. We will pour the vinegar into the container. Now let's put some food color. Ilang dip?
One.
One. And now let's mix it.
Okay, so the water turns into purple. After that, we are going to place the egg carefully.
We
Can
will
you
place the egg.
carefully, not to drop it. Yan, para hindi siya mabasag. Okay. Oops.
No!
Okay. So the next thing is
Now we will check the egg in 24 hours.
48 hours later.
Okay guys, it's been 48 hours. Now let's take out the egg. See the result.
okay, labas ang egg. Careful. There you go. Whoop. How was it? Oh!
Fancy.
It's bouncy! And what happened to the shell?
It's gone.
It's gone! So it becomes squishy, right? Let me see. So, what happened here is that the vinegar has disintegrated the shell.
Yeah.
That is why it became like this. Whoop! Whoop! Whoop!
Maybe I'm using the food.
Ay! Baka mapisa siya, be. It's still egg yolk sa loob. If you want, mamaya, we can cut it so that you can see what's inside. Gusto mo? But it's still egg yolk sa loob.
I want to see.
O, sige. This one feels like a bouncy ball or a stress ball. Like this, oh. Ah! Oh! I squish it! Ah!
That's what inside.
Yeah! So this is,
Ah!
it's, covering. This is the one that covers the egg. Tapos nandito yung shell. Look at that. Yeah, I made a mess. Oh, no!
Ah!
What happened to the I wonder if we can still cook this thing. But I don't think so. This is the egg white and this is the egg yolk. But it smells like vinegar, so I think we cannot cook it.
So guys, imagine that the egg is your teeth. The vinegar is the one that destroys your teeth when you don't brush your teeth.
So, how many times do you need to brush your teeth?
2 times a day.
And how many minutes?
2 minutes.
Okay, let's start brushing.
Ah!
a little later.
So that's for today. Thank you for watching our rice experiment.